Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iMessage notification not showing on lock screen on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, make sure that you have turned the toggle off for DND and airplane mode, and after that what you need to do is just simply open settings. So after that what you need to do is just simply scroll it down, and from here you have to search for battery and make sure that you have turned the toggle off for low power mode, and after that go back and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is like that there, then what you need to do is just simply tap on notifications, and from here you have to tap on show previews, and from here you have to make sure that you have check on always. Okay guys, so you have to check on always and then go back, and from here you have to open messages, and after that you have to allow this one, and after that what you need to do is just simply check all of them, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on customize notifications, and from here make sure that this toggle is also on, and after that what you need to do is just simply go back from here and then scroll it down, and from here what you need to do is just simply again open iMessage. So you have to search for this. Here it is guys, and from here what you need to do is just simply make sure that your Apple ID is connected with your phone. So you have to log in your Apple ID. So after doing all these things, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So if the problem select is there, then what you need to do is just simply restart your phone. So after restarting, your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.